So we all probably have an older battery bank like this lying around. This is from RAV Power. It's fairly large, 26,000 milliamp hours. We have a basic button here with the LED indicator of the current state of charge, along with some basic inputs and outputs. But it might just be time to finally upgrade to something like this from Anker. This is a brand new product, and it doesn't just do the same function as an older battery bank, but it's the function of this, a charger, as well as a cable, all in this small, portable, beautifully designed device with a built-in screen instead of the old school LED indicators. So what makes this a 3-in-1 device is the built-in AC plugs, making this a regular charger, the built-in USB Type-C cable, so you don't have to have 1,000 cables in your bag anymore, along with the built-in battery, which comes in at a pretty modest 5,000 milliamp hours. In terms of battery banks, it's not a huge capacity, but it is enough to top up your devices throughout the day, as well as just charge them up regularly. So when you're using this in charging mode, you can see right here on the side, this is advertised as a 30-watt charger. And that's a pretty good speed. You can get much faster, like 100-watt fast charger, and some devices are compatible with that. But this device here is affordable, it's compact, it's made to be kept with you at all times, and 30 watts is still a good number. I think a standard iPhone charger is like 10 watts, but you should know that when this is in battery bank mode and you're charging while this is not plugged into the wall, it outputs only 22.5 watts. And in case you're wondering, when you have this plugged into the wall and this is charging a device, it's going to first charge your device, and then once that is fully charged, it will continue to charge the charger itself. So it will always prioritize your device. Another thing I love about this device that plays into the versatility, do-it-all nature is the fact that you can charge this, of course, via the AC prongs, but also via the USB Type-C cable. This is power in and out. So for example, at home, if you already have a pretty good fast charger, you can plug it in like this and charge the battery that way. And furthermore, we have one additional USB-C port on the device right here, which is also in and out power. And that enables you to charge 2 devices at once. So for example, this little device can charge at the same time my phone and my massive 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Allow me to demonstrate. So I plug in my phone like so. We should see it just automatically turn on, begin charging. And I'll use the built-in Type-C cable to plug into my iPad Pro. So I'll go ahead and plug this in, and we can see this is also charging at the same time. And man, I just love gadgets like this. They're so versatile, useful, kind of exactly what you need. And being that this is from Anker, one of the largest, most successful charger battery bank companies out there, the build quality here, everything is very premium and just works flawlessly. And by the way, the display here is activated via a button on the side, which allows you to turn it on and turn it off to save a little bit of battery. But if I had to guess, I think this is an OLED display because I don't see any backlighting. And this display is pretty basic. It just shows you the current charge level of the battery, along with a small indicator on when the battery bank itself is charging. And currently on Amazon, this thing is going for $39, which I think is a very competitive price. So far, there's 20 ratings. This thing's brand new with a overall score of 4.1 stars. Now, before Anker came out with this new device, the closest thing they had was this right here, which I think is also one of their best sellers. This has built-in folding prongs, making it a charger battery pack combo. It's larger, 10,000 milliamp hours. It's more premium at around the $100 price range. And being that it's older, it's lacking the built-in USB Type-C cable and any form of a display. But if I had to guess, later on this year, they're probably going to update this model with a new design, a built-in USB Type-C cable, and a display. So essentially a bigger, more premium version of this with double the battery capacity, extra USB Type-C ports on it, and hopefully a display that, in addition to showing you the current percentage, also shows you the wattage in and out. I think that would be super cool on a more expensive version. But regardless, I love this little gadget, and it is for sure going to live in my backpack for a very long time. It's simply everything you need. It combines a battery pack, cables, and a charger all in this little device. So I'll go ahead and leave the link to this product below the video. I completely endorse it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.